After completion of all questions of differential equation, we are going to learn a linear differential equation, right, जो आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है करंट ईयर के, मगर फिर भी मैंने आपको आगे बोला था वैसे मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा, तो मैं आपको नॉलेज का दे रहा हूँ। आपको एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन नहीं करना है, मगर हायर स्टडीज में ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट। वाई यू आर इन engineering or BSc or whatever it may be, where maths is there, you may have to solve differential equations, and there this is one of the type. So it is not good for you to skip out the knowledge. आपको नॉलेज लेना है, मगर एग्जाम के लिए वो प्रिपेयर करना नहीं है, राइट। कंसेप्ट आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए और पता भी होना चाहिए, राइट। सो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज, राइट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करना है, आपको पहले चेक करना है वेरिएबल सेपरेबल है नहीं है, देन होमोजीनियस है नहीं है, तो आपको चेक करना है कि ये जो है वो लीनियर में कन्वर्ट होता है कि नहीं। सो dy बाई डी एक्स, राइट, प्लस पी वाई इज इक्वल टू क्यू फॉर्म में होना चाहिए। ये जो dy बाई डी एक्स रहता है तो यहाँ y वाली टर्म चाहिए, यदि वो dy बाई डी एक्स फॉर्म में नहीं है और dx बाई dy फॉर्म में है तो यहाँ पे x वाली टर्म चाहिए, और ये कोई भी कांस्टेंट हो चलेगा, राइट, इसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, right। So this is the standard form for linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py is equal to q। इसके लिए आपको इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड करना है, एंड दिस इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज द टॉपिक, राइट, जिसका आपको हर कोई एग्जाम में, इन ईच एंड एवरी एग्जाम यू विल फाइंड वन एमसीक्यू फॉर फाइंड द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर। बट ये आपका बेड लक है कि ये नहीं है तो वो एमसीक्यू नहीं आएगा। बाकी जो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया गया है इसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड करना एमसीक्यू एवरी ईयर वन रहता ही है वहां, राइट। सो राइटिंग दिस इन अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म वी गेट dy by dx is equal to dy by dx, right। Then p, what is p? P is plus p we required, so here p is -1, so p is -1 and q is equal to cos x। So then you have to find out integrating factor is integration e raised to integral p dx, right? If it is in form dy by dx, then what you have to, we are differentiating with respect to x, means we have to integrating with respect to x also, that is the, you have to remember, right? If it is in the form this dx by dy, so we are differentiating with respect to y, so integral factoring, that means you have to integrate with respect to y, so integrating factor is e raised to p dy, that you have to remember, otherwise all procedure are same, and this is a very easy questions, right? So now this is your integrating factor, so we get e raised to integral, what is p, is -1 dx, so this is e raised to -x, no need to put plus c, right, because we are finding out what is the factor. So now after finding out the integrating factor, your solution is y into, because we have to find out the value of y, so we have dy by dx, so integrating factor is if after finding the integrating factor, your solution is, therefore solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor, and we are using dy by dx, so we must have dx here, so is equal to dx. This is our solution. So y, as it is, integrating factor is e raised to -x is equal to q. What is q? Q is cos x, so this is cos x, and e raised to -x dx. That means you have to integrate this thing using indefinite integration. So this is integration e raised to -x cos x dx, और ये आपके पास फॉर्मूला है e raised to x dx, e raised to x cos bx dx, तो क्या फॉर्मूला रहती है, e raised to -x upon a square plus b square, a is -1 b is 1, right। आपके पास ये फॉर्मूला है इंटीग्रेशन e raised to ax cos bx dx is equal to e raised to ax upon a square plus b square, a cos bx, cos में प्लस आता है b sin bx प्लस सी, और साइन रहता है तो साइन में यहाँ पे माइनस है, राइट? सो दैट यू नो, सो a square plus b square, what is here? A is -1 and b is 1, so substituting that value we get a square plus b square is 2, right? A is minus cos x plus b is 1, sin bx is sin x plus c, right? Now this is y into e raised to minus x, so cancel out e raised to minus x from all, either multiplying by e raised to or dividing by e raised to minus x, we get y is equal to, right, sin x minus cos x plus 2c into e raised to x. If we divide by minus x, then if I write into numerator, then it becomes plus x, right? So this is answer. So if I take 2 common LCM here, then we have to write twice here also. So this is your general solution. This is your general solution using linear differential equation. So ये बहुत ही easy था, मगर आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है तो आपको ये करना नहीं है, राइट? अब एक एग्जांपल हम dx by dy वाला भी देख लेते हैं, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि how to solve the equations. Okay. Next question is example 21 for this linear differential equation, right, of type second, right? So see here, first of all you have to identify now, is it your variable separable method, is it for a homogeneous differential equation or a linear? बट linear आपके सिलेबस में तो है ही नहीं, तो इसका तो आपको एग्जाम में ख्याल ही नहीं करना है, मगर मैं सिखा रहा हूँ इसलिए बोलता हूँ. तो मैंने क्या बोला था, what we have to do first, we have to write in dy by dx form. So if we write this, y dx is equal to x plus 2y square dy, this becomes, now see here, if we write dy by dx, then a upon this, so we can't integrate this function, because suppose, see, I'm writing this is as dy by dx, right? I'm writing dy by dx. So dy by dx means we get this y upon x plus 2y square. So we can't split out this function. Also, this is not a homogeneous differential equation because power is 2 and here is 1. So this is not a homogeneous differential equation. So you can't apply homogeneous differential equation formula. You never apply a linear differential equation here if you write in dy by dx form. So that's why this is a critical, right? ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये क्यों नहीं ले सकते. तो हमें क्या लेना चाहिए अभी, dx by dy. क्यों dx by dy लेना चाहिए? तो dx by dy लेंगे तो क्या होगा, this is x plus 2y square upon y. Now this is proved that this is not a homogeneous differential equation, means this is not a variable separable also, means it must be a linear differential equation. And for that, what we can do, we can write this as dx by dy is equal to x by y plus 2y, right? So if we have dx by dy, then we must have p y here, p x dx by dy means we require here term x here in numerator. So taking these to left hand side, this becomes dx by dy plus minus x upon y is equal to 2y. So this is dx by dy plus px is equal to q form. So p is minus x and q is twice y. P is minus x in this form, dx by dy is equal to px, right? So p is, sorry, I made mistake. P is minus 1 upon y, px. I write x instead of p, right? So px, so p is minus 1 upon y and q is twice y. So now integrating factor, is e raised to integral p. We are going to differentiate with respect to y, so we require here y, and also this is y, so you must have to integrate. वो आपको पता है. So we get e raised to minus 1 upon y dy. So this is e raised to minus Then because the denominator is in numerator, so we get minus log y. Taking minus y to here, this becomes e raised to y. That is y raised to minus 1. Got it or not? No? Okay, I am writing one step. This is e raised to log y raised to minus 1 base e here. So this is y raised to minus 1. So this is 1 upon y. So आपके एग्जाम में इस टाइप के एमसीक्यू आते थे कि इसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या है, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज, तो आपका आंसर 1 अपॉन y आता है। ऐसा एमसीक्यू आता है तो मगर आपके सिलेबस में है नहीं। नाउ सॉल्यूशन, सो देयरफॉर सॉल्यूशन इज, now this is in dy, so integrating factor into x, because this is x here, right? So x into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integration factor, right? So q into integrating factor into dy, because we are going to integrate with respect to y, so dy, right? So x is as it is, integrating factor is 1 upon y, so this is 1 upon y is equal to q. What is q? Q is 2y, so this is 2y into 1 upon y dy, so we get x upon y is equal to y cancel, 2 constant, dy, that is x upon y is equal to twice y plus c, twice y plus c. This is a required solution. Either you can multiply this, so x is equal to 2y square plus cy, which is your required general solution, right? तो है ना इजी। तो ये मैंने आपको दो एग्जांपल सॉल्व करके बता दिया कि लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कैसे सॉल्व करना है। दोनों टाइप के एक एक हमने न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कर लिया है, तो आपको कंसेप्ट पता चल गया है। टू टाइप से लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की वो भी पता चल गई है। तो आप फ्यूचर में कहाँ भी जाओ, right, anywhere, if you have a numericals which including linear differential equation, then you can solve now. Okay, now after finishing completion of differential equations, all examples, we are going to solve MCQs, few MCQs, right? And then I will send you a PDF, so you have to solve it, and if you have any problem, then directly contact me, right? So first question is the order of a differential equation whose general solution is this: y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x is, right? You know, जनरल सॉल्यूशन में जितना आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट है इसका ऑर्डर इतना ही रहता है, सही, राइट? ऑर्डर इज द नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट, ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट. So how many arbitrary constants are here? 2. So what is your answer? 2. So answer is 2. That is option B is your correct answer. Now the order and degree, right? Highest power of the derivative is 3 here. So order is 3 and degree is the power of the highest order derivative is 2. So order 3, degree 2. That is your answer. Now this is, you know, what we have to do? We have to take LCM. So if we take LCM, then derivative is this y1. So y1 square means order 1, degree 2. Okay. Similarly, if A and B are the order and degree of the differential equation, this, then A and B. That means we have to write down order and degree. So order is 1 and degree is also 1. So A is 1, B is 1. Now, which of the following function is the solution of the differential equation? So ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आपको दिया गया है, इसका सॉल्यूशन कौन है वो आपको फाइंड करना है। तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो ऑप्शन है वो ऑप्शन में से आपको ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड से ही सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा। इफ वी टेक दिस, देन y इक्वल टू 4x, सो वी नीड dy by dx. So if we differentiate this, so y is equal to 4x, this implies y1 is equal to 4. y1 is equal to 4. So if I substitute y1 is equal to 4, what we get? y1 is equal to 4. What we get? 4 square minus x into 4 plus y is equal to 0 होना चाहिए, तो ही ये सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है. Now 4 square is 16. So this is 16 minus 4x. And what is y? What is y? Y is 4x. So plus 4x. So this will be cut. So this is 16. right? This is what we get. Here we get 16. So is this a solution of this equation? Think. क्या हुआ? कुछ पता चला? नहीं ना? मैं भी कंफ्यूज हूं, क्या करेंगे? क्योंकि ये सॉल्यूशन नहीं आता है और कोई आने वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि ये तो जीरो हो गया, ये भी नहीं आ गया, ये भी नहीं. आई थिंक सो वी मस्ट हैव प्रॉब्लम इन डेटा. वी मस्ट हैव हियर d square y by dx square, and if we take d square y by dx square, then y2 is again differentiating this, we get 0, and substituting 0 here, 0, so this is 0, right, and this is 0, so this will be cut, right, so we get this answer is 0. So this is satisfying the equation. So option is the correct answer. That means this is a printing error in textbook. Okay, that is in reference book which I used. Okay, so this is d square y by dx square. We must have d square y by dx square. So आपको ऐसे एग्जांपल्स जो है, क्वेश्चन जो है, इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए ऐसा करना पड़ेगा, right? Okay, fine. Now solution of the differential equation this. Nothing to do. हमने जो सॉल्व किया वैसे ही सॉल्व करना है. तो आप इसको वेरिएबल सेपरेबल में चेंज कर सकते हैं, पहले वो देख लेना है. तो हम इजीली इसको वेरिएबल सेपरेबल में चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो कर देना है. तो क्या होगा? दिस इज dy by y प्लस dx by x is equal to 0 हो जाएगा. So it's very easy. Integrating this is a variable separable form. So integrating this, we get integrating this. This is the way to solve it. MCQ, don't waste your time, right? So this is log mod y plus log mod x. So we get log mod x plus log mod, sorry, here y first, then x is equal to, I'm writing log mod c. That is log a plus log b is log ab. So we get y into x is equal to log c. That is xy is equal to c. Is your answer. xy is equal to c is answer, right? So ऐसे small question जो है, जो हमने इक्वेशन सॉल्व किए, वो क्वेश्चन ही आपको डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एमसीक्यू में आएगी. इसके अलावा ये जो ये टाइप मैंने सिलेक्ट करके दिया, इसके अलावा और कोई डिफरेंट हार्ड क्वेश्चन आने वाला नहीं है, right? And the seventh one is solution of the differential equation this, when y1 is equal to 1 is given by, that is you have to find out a particular solution. But as I told you, this is a condition, right? We used y is equal to 1 when, the meaning of this is y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1 is the meaning of this. Y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1, right? All conditions in your textbook are given in this form, but in reference book and in JEE competitive exam or GUJCAT, you will be maybe get in this type of condition, initial condition. So you have to remember the meaning of this, right? So that's why I am including this question in my this MCQ session. Okay. So this is dy by dx plus 2y upon x is equal to 0. So easily you can find out this is dy upon y plus 2 times 1 upon x into dx is equal to 0. So integrating this is a variable separable, so integrating this we get log mod y plus 2 times log mod x is equal to log mod c, right? Now this is 2, so taking these 2 here, it becomes log x square, and log a plus log b is log xy. So log xy, and this is x square, so x square y is equal to log c. So we get x square y is equal to c, and it is given y and c is 1 1. So if we substitute 1 1, I'm not writing all steps, okay? If we substitute x is y is 1 1, then what do we get? C is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. We substitute here, we get x square y is equal to 1 is the required particular solution, right? So in this way you have to solve. Don't waste your time to write all steps which we did for descriptive, right? MCQ आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना है, ये भी मैंने ज्यादा स्टेप लिख दिया क्योंकि ये होना ही नहीं चाहिए. आपको पता है ये लॉग है, यहाँ भी लॉग है, लॉग निकल जाने वाला है. Log remove, you can remove log. So directly you must have to write this type of steps, right?